Now got the wheel back from the garage with the new bearings put in. My local garage charged me 40 quid to put the new bearings in, which I think is fair enough because I couldn't manage to do it myself because the tube thing inside was stuck and I couldn't budge it, but they managed to do it. And they fitted them, and they've also cleaned up these surfaces for the discs, which was very nice of them. Good service. I didn't expect them to do that, so that's brilliant. So it's now got the new tyre, it's got the new bearings. All I need to do is fit the new discs on it. Spray painted. I've masked off these bits, the bobbins, and I've spray painted them with high heat VHT paint in black to freshen them up a bit because they were quite scabby looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit these on the bike now. So what I've got these bolts I bought off eBay, stainless steel brake bolts, because I made a mess of the old ones getting them out, kind of rounded them out a bit. Got a whole pack of new ones. I've cleaned the holes with the degreaser, the usual degreaser that I've been using for everything, and I've gone and bought some of this when I was at work. Nipped out at lunch and bought this from the auto parts place, JB Weld Permalock medium strength thread locker. Torque wrench, 22 Newton meters. Okay, so that's them all done to 22 Newton meters. Right, so the Haynes manual says when you're fitting discs or working on a wheel or whatever, you're supposed to support the wheel on blocks of wood on either side of the disc so that the disc isn't taking the weight of the wheel, because that can bend the disc. I don't have any blocks of wood handy, so what I've done is I've just propped the wheel against the chest of drawers in the spare room, and I'm going to now bolt the other disc on. That's them in. Just going to check that they're sort of hand tight. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to torque them to the 22 Newton meters that the Haynes manual says. Right, that's them all torqued to 22 Newton meters. So that's the discs, the tyre and the bearings all on the wheel. So the only thing that's still required is these bobbins need freed off because they're all stiff. So I need to get some brake cleaner and a nut and bolt and just break all of those loose and just kind of work them a little bit just to free them off. But that's tomorrow's job.